So we need to, how you can remove this? You can remove this, right? Ito. So paano? Hindi kala ko tatanggalin mo mismo yung ano. Yung...
Hindi lang.
Taka na.
Alright. Here's how to open the sea urchin.
See that? As a sea urchin. So you need to remove that and clean it.
Tanggalin mo yung boy.
And
Nakain ka partay.
you have to remove this.
Baka hindi. Starfish.
Clean it.
Yan. Pinabuhay. Para pa ako nga. Ang sakit. Ang gaba.
So all of that. That's the
Talaga?
guts.
Ay, para din yun. Ay.
Will you eat this?
Para pa kainin din natin na.
So that's
Oh my God!
the yellow
Mama, my
fat.
Ang laki! Oh, nasa na? Ito down!
You can
Bites!
clean. You have to clean it.
Ito mo, my steak! Bites!
Really
Bites!
good.
Panay mo muna natin!
And then
Bites!
I brought my spoon.
Your spoon.
Yeah. So what you gonna do?
Dapat lagyan na suka. Lagyan naman ano? Tapos kanay.
Connie.
Dapat panay nakapagdala ng kanay.
He said, "Well, I was supposed to bring some rice." So
Some rice.
that's the
Ikaw ko sagad.
So I have
Paano
my
bites?
calamansi.
Tutupukan ho tayo ng isda. Papanahin ko muna yan.
So we put some calamansi.
Sakit ga?
Mm.
Dala.
You ready? Because this is salty and at the same time sour.
Na! Parang nagigilin na ako.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you eat sea urchin.
It's good.
Sarap.
Sweet, yeah. It's really good. Yeah.
And there's the baby octopus.
Where? Oh, baby octopus.
Sarap po. Nasaan ang kalamansi? Nasaan dyan pare?